Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today, we take a closer look at the newly released Circula Aquasport, a recreation of their model from the 70s. You may not have heard of Circula, but they're a brand from Germany founded in 1955 that got revived by the grandson of the original founder. And after making a dressy piece powered by a new old stock in-house movement from the 50s, and the modern, elegant, classic automatic I reviewed, they finally went where most watch enthusiasts spend their money: a diver. The Aquasport has all the elements that are hot right now: a design from the past, modern materials, and a decent range of movements, all packed in a reasonably priced package we usually see from microbrands. The price depends on the movement used and starts at €499, or roughly $600 for this basic model, powered by a Swiss-made STP-111 movement that beats at 28,800 bph and comes with both hacking and hand winding. The next level is the venerable ETA 2824 that raises the price to €599, or about $720. While the top of the range is powered by a COSC certified 2824 and at €799, or again $960, makes it one of the most affordable certified chronometers you can buy. The rest of the specs are right up my alley as well. The diameter is 39 millimeters, while the lug-to-lug is just under 46. Now, even though they use a fixed end link like the Doxa 300T I reviewed that extends the lug-to-lug to almost 52, it bends down at a better angle, making it look good even on my 6.7-inch wrist. I would, however, prefer if they used a fully articulating connecting piece like the one on the Doxa 1200T, as it would make it sit even better on a smaller wrist like mine. The bracelet itself is very comfortable, as you would expect from a true beads of rice bracelet, and is easily sized using the supplied sizing tool that will be included in the package. Other than the end link, the clasp is another thing I would change on this model. It is well made and machined as you would expect, but the micro sizing is a bit dated in today's world, and I wish it used a trigger release with a safety latch, as this simple friction lock is not just dated, but I also had it open up on me a couple of times during extreme wrist bending. A couple of years ago, that would have been from doing push-ups, but now it's from walking on all fours pretending to be a dog for my daughter. But these two details are pretty much the only rant I have about the watch, as the rest is simply amazing. The case is not just beautifully shaped, but also very well finished, which I expected since they claim to finish all cases by hand in their German factory. Almost every surface is brushed with two polished bevels to break up the side and top of the case. The transitions are sharp and clear. The coin edge bezel fits the style and doesn't get caught on your sleeves. It has 120 precise clicks, and even though it is on the soft side, it hasn't moved a single time by accident in 2 weeks of wear. The insert is sapphire, so as scratch resistant as the crystal, and with numerals underneath, creates a nice translucent and shiny effect that, in my opinion, looks better than cut-out numerals found on ceramic bezels. The numerals and the triangle at 12 are loomed in blue and visibly weaker than the green loom used on the hands and markers that is very strong. I like the toned down effect on the bezel, but wish at least the triangle at 12 was in the same powerful green loom to match the intensity of the dial. The crown is signed and features an orange line in the middle, matching the orange chapter ring, which reminds me of the first generation Seiko Monster. The chapter ring creates a nice 3D effect and is highly contrasting the gray dial. It increases legibility and makes the whole watch pop while not getting too much in your face. The dial itself is stunning in person with a sunburst effect, and hands are long and reach to their designated markers. I especially love the orange seconds hand. Overall, the finishing on the dial is very good with no foreign materials anywhere, and only the 12 o'clock marker shows some imperfection in loom application. As a whole package, the watch is stunning and very comfortable to wear, so everything you want from a diver, and presents a nice alternative to many microbrands out there while coming from Germany and having a longer history. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.